Our world is filled with breathtaking landscapes and ancient wonders. But hidden among them are places so strange, so mysterious, that even modern science struggles to explain them. From deadly lakes that turn animals to stone, to monuments built thousands of years ago without any modern tools, to places where entire ships and planes disappear without a trace. Our journey begins with the infamous Bermuda Triangle. Located in the Atlantic Ocean between Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda, this region has been blamed for the disappearance of hundreds of ships and planes. Some sailors even call it the Devil's Triangle. Stories date back centuries, with navigators describing strange compass readings, sudden storms, and vessels that simply vanished into thin air. Theories range from magnetic anomalies on the ocean floor to giant rogue waves, methane gas eruptions, and even alien abductions. But here's the truth. Despite decades of research, no one can fully explain why so many disappearances happen here. Next, we travel to England, to one of the most iconic ancient monuments in the world, Stonehenge, built over 5,000 years ago. It consists of massive stones arranged in a perfect circle. Some of these stones weigh as much as 25 tons, and they were somehow transported from nearly 200 kilometers away. But why was it built? Was it a temple for ancient rituals? A giant calendar to track the stars and seasons? Or perhaps, as some believe, a landing site for extraterrestrials? To this day, no one knows the real purpose of Stonehenge, but one thing is certain. Its design and construction show that ancient people had far more knowledge and skill than we often give them credit for. Deep in the deserts of Peru, you'll find one of the world's most puzzling creations, the Nazca Lines, etched into the desert floor thousands of years ago. These massive geoglyphs form shapes of animals, plants, and geometric designs. Some stretch hundreds of meters across, yet they can only be fully appreciated from the sky. And that is the biggest mystery. Why would ancient people create something that could only be seen from above, long before the invention of airplanes? Were the Nazca Lines a form of communication with the gods, an astronomical calendar, or, as some theories suggest, markings for alien spacecraft? Scientists continue to study them, but the desert sands have kept their secrets well hidden. Now let's head to Nevada, USA, where a remote military base has become the center of alien conspiracies, Area 51. Officially, it's a testing ground for advanced aircraft. But decades of secrecy, strange lights in the sky, and leaked documents have fueled theories that the government is hiding evidence of UFOs and extraterrestrial technology here. In 2019, millions of people even signed up for the viral Storm Area 51 event, although only a few hundred actually showed up. Still, the question remains, if Area 51 is just another airbase, then why is it so heavily guarded, and why has it been kept so secret for so long? Our fifth mystery takes us back thousands of years to the deserts of Egypt, home of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Built around 2500 BC, this massive structure was the tallest man-made building in the world for nearly 4,000 years. Its sides are perfectly aligned with the cardinal directions, and its construction is so precise that modern engineers still struggle to understand how it was built. Each stone block can weigh several tons, yet the ancient Egyptians moved and stacked them with astonishing accuracy. Even more intriguing, recent scans have revealed hidden chambers inside the pyramid, suggesting there's still much we don't know. Was it simply a tomb, or something more mysterious? In the deserts of Turkmenistan lies a place locals called the Door to Hell. It's a massive crater, nearly 70 meters wide, that has been burning with fire for over 50 years. In 1971, Soviet engineers were drilling for gas when the ground collapsed. To prevent poisonous gas from escaping, they set it on fire, expecting it to burn out in a few days. But decades later, the flames are still raging. At night, the crater glows with an eerie light, visible for miles. Standing at its edge, it really does feel like you're looking into the gates of another world. Far out in the Pacific Ocean lies Easter Island, home to nearly 900 massive stone statues known as moai, carved centuries ago. Some of these statues stand over 30 feet tall and weigh more than 70 tons. The mystery is, how did the island's ancient inhabitants carve and transport these colossal figures without wheels, cranes, or modern tools? But even more puzzling, why did they build them? Some say the statues represented ancestors protecting the people. Others believe they were offerings to the gods. To this day, archaeologists are still uncovering hidden secrets beneath the island's soil. Now, let's travel to Tanzania, where nature itself has created one of the strangest and deadliest places on Earth, Lake Natron. This lake is extremely alkaline, with water temperatures reaching up to 60 degrees Celsius. Its high salt and mineral content can literally burn the skin of animals that enter it. The most terrifying part: any animal that dies in the lake becomes calcified, preserved like a stone statue. The blood-red color of the water, caused by algae, makes it look even more surreal. It's a place that feels less like Earth and more like something from another planet. In Poland, a strange forest grows unlike any other in the world. Here, about 400 pine trees are bent sharply at the base, all curving in the exact same direction, forming a bizarre and eerie landscape. What caused this strange phenomenon? Some believe it was human intervention, bending the trees on purpose for shipbuilding or furniture. Others suggest it may have been caused by a snowstorm or a gravitational anomaly, but the truth, no one knows for sure. The Crooked Forest remains one of Europe's most unusual natural mysteries. Our final stop takes us to South America, to one of the most otherworldly mountains on Earth. Mount Roraima, rising nearly 3,000 meters above the rainforest, this flat-topped mountain looks like a giant table floating in the clouds. Its vertical cliffs make it almost impossible to climb, isolating its plateau from the rest of the world for millions of years. This has led scientists to believe unique species may live here, completely cut off from the outside. Mount Roraima also inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel The Lost World where dinosaurs still roamed on a hidden plateau. Standing at its peak feels like stepping into another dimension. And there you have it, 10 of the most mysterious places on Earth. Each of these places reminds us just how much of our world we still don't fully understand. Which of these mysteries fascinated you the most? The lost secrets of the pyramids, the eerie statues of Easter Island, or the terrifying lake that turns animals into stone? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing facts and mysteries from around the world.